Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. Today for you we have a gorgeous Louis Vuitton Vavin is your French, PM. It is really lovely, the perfect sized crossbody I think personally anyway. So as you can see, I'll show you the details. I love this feature of it's a magnetic fasten, but I just think that's a really cute little feature, makes it a little bit different. And then obviously you've got the emboss of the Louis Vuitton there, this nice little detailing on the sides, and then you've got a adjustable strap, so you can wear it as a shoulder, or you've got the option to have it a bit longer and wear it as a crossbody, which I love to have the option of being able to do both with a bag. I feel like that's a very underrated thing. I feel like we should talk about this more. But yeah, it's really nice, and look at that shiny gold hardware as well. Really lovely. So on the inside, you lift it up, you've got this nice front flat pocket, which is very handy to just quickly put a lip gloss or your phone in there and easy access. Then you have a zipped pocket in the main compartment here, which is a really good size, and then it is a really good size bag as well. You would be able to get everything you need in there for day-to-day, you know, every day, or maybe it would transfer into an evening bag from work. It's a really good practical size bag. I'm all about practicality, so this is really lovely. So I'll just show you the nice base as well and the corners to give you an idea. Obviously I'll talk about the condition in a bit, but yeah, really cute little Louis. So I'll just stand back to give you an idea of the size. So I'm a UK size 12 and I'm 5'10". This is what it looks like on me. As I said, you've got the option to wear it as a crossbody as well. So yeah, perfect. As you can see, it's quite a nice length as well, crossbody wise. So I'll just show you what the bag comes with. So we've got one of those handy little bag liners from the brand, I can't say it. It's not Handbag Angels anyway, which is the ones that we normally have. I'll just show you there. So that's quite useful. Then we have a Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then you've also got a Louis Vuitton box as well. So really nice, would be a nice gift option. So that's really cool that it comes with those things. So if you would like to see the exact measurements of this bag, if you're watching this video from YouTube, then there'll be a link in the description for you to click onto, which will take you onto our website, and you'll be able to view the product and see all the full details there. If you're watching this from our website already, you should be able to see our video there on the website. But if you are on YouTube, you click on that link and it doesn't take you to this bag, it takes you to our generic product page. I'm afraid that does mean that it has been sold. Really sorry about that. We do have a request list you can get onto, so you can email us if you want to get on that request list with a bag that you are after, or DM us, or whatever is your preferred choice, and we can help you get on that request list as well. So I will just, like I said, I'll just talk to you about the condition. So for the exterior condition, we have called this bag good. The corners are all in really nice condition, but I think you can probably tell just from looking at it, just where it's been sat in storage, you can see just that, even though it has had the liner in, there's just that, you know, you can just tell that it has been used. And on the front flap as well, there's just a little bit of discoloration there, so that is why we have called it good. With the hardware as well, we've also called that good. We've called the whole bag good throughout. You can see just on here where the magnetic fasten has been closed, it's just been used, so it's just a pre-loved bag. This bit is actually in really nice condition, and the straps as well, you can just tell that it has been used, so that's why we've called that good. And then for the interior as well, There is just they call that good too. There's a little mark on the bottom here, and again you can just tell that it has been loved, it has been used. Just to mention as well, the date code is inside the zipped pocket, and it dates to early 2019, and it's made in Italy as well. So that is on our website too. Okay, so that's the condition of the bag. So go and check it out on our website, and we hope you loved watching this video. So if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can see more beautiful bags from us here at Armcandy. If you do have any bags that you would like to sell, then again, get in contact. We'd be more than happy to help. We would love to sell your bags, so yeah, get in contact with us. We're all a lovely team here at Armcandy, so we hope to hear from you soon. And whilst you're on our website, remember to sign up to our newsletter. You do not want to miss out on your discount with your first purchase, so make sure you sign up so you can get that as well. Okay, hope you all have a really, really lovely day. Bye.